Hello students, good afternoon. Welcome to IDGN Memorial classes. Now let us solve some question on ellipse. ठीक है? There are some example like here. We are going to solve example 11. क्या है example 11? Let us see. Find the equation of ellipse whose vertices are plus minus 13 0 and foci is plus minus 5 comma 0. ठीक है? Means we are given with the coordinate of vertices and the foci of the ellipse. So we need to find the equation of ellipse. ठीक है? Now one thing to remember here, since coordinate of vertices are plus minus 13 and 0, means this vertices of the ellipse lies on x-axis. Sometime the foci is also plus minus 5 0, means x coordinate is plus minus 5, means foci and vertices both lies on the x-axis. ठीक है? So equation of ellipse, standard of equation of ellipse will be of the form x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. ठीक है? So let us see here, since given that vertices of ellipse are plus minus 13 0 and foci plus minus 5 0. ठीक है? Means axis of ellipse is along x-axis. That means hence axis of ellipse is along x-axis. ठीक है? In this case, the equation of ellipse will be x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Hence, equation of ellipse in this form is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Now here we have a equal to 13 and c equal to 5. Since we have vertices plus minus a0 as plus minus 13 0 and foci plus minus c0 as plus minus 5 0. वर्टिसेस का कोऑर्डिनेट गिवन है प्लस माइनस 13 एंड 0 एंड फोकाई का कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है प्लस माइनस 5 0. सो वैल्यू ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू 13 एंड वैल्यू ऑफ सी इज 5. हेंस ए इक्वल टू 13 and c equal to 5. Then we know the relationship between a, b and c. What is that relation? Since a square equal to b square plus c square, this implies that b square will be equal to a square minus c square. ठीक है? b square की वैल्यू क्या होगी? a square minus c square. Now a और c की वैल्यू मालूम है, hence b square will be equal to 13 whole square minus 5 whole square, that is 169 minus 25, that is equal to 144. So value of b square is 144. We can find the value of b as 12. Hence b equal to क्या होगा? Hence b equal to plus minus under root 144, that is equal to plus minus 12. Now we have the value of a, b and c. Hence equation of this ellipse is of the form x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. By putting the a equal to 13 and b equal to 12, we will get the required equation of the ellipse. Hence, a required equation of ellipse is x square by 13 square plus y square by 12 square equal to 1, or x square upon 169 plus y square upon 144 equal to 1. This is the required equation of ellipse. ठीक है. So यदि हमें a b c की वैल्यू मालूम हो, दो कोई भी मालूम हो तो तीसरी हम निकाल सकते हैं, और तीसरी निकल जाए तो इक्वेशन ऑफ इलिप्स इज वेरी सिंपल टू कैलकुलेट इन दिस वे. ठीक है. तो नोट करो, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के सॉल्यूशन के साथ. ओके, बाय.